Welcome to another Cutler's Appliance Repair educational video. Today we will be going over the importance of cleaning your coils on your refrigerator, protecting your compressor, saving you hundreds of dollars on repairs and your electric bill. So let's start with types of coils. Condenser coils can be located in different locations depending on the style of refrigerator you have. Some coils will be wavy with no way to get in between. Some are round, like the GE one we're about to show here. So why is this a big deal? Why is cleaning our coils on our refrigerators a big deal? When you don't clean the coils on your refrigerator, you're not allowing the airflow that your machine requires. By compressing your refrigerant, you are creating heat through friction in your compressor. Remember to use a soft bristle brush and unplug the machine before you start cleaning the coil. So let's talk about the proper way to maintain the coils on our refrigerator. By vacuuming and brushing the panels to our refrigerator once a year, we will allow more airflow in and through the coils. By allowing cool air through the coils, you will be able to get rid of the thermal energy created from the compressor, allowing your system to run much more efficient. Your compressor will turn on whenever the thermostat inside the refrigerator says it's warm, but the compressor will also create heat, allowing the outside of the refrigerator, the walls and the doors, to get warm as well. So it's like a dog chasing his own tail. Always use a vacuum when brushing the coils on your refrigerator. The amount of dust below that machine is more than you realize. And feel free to call a professional to get that job done for you if you don't feel up to the task. Your refrigerant is either a vapor or a liquid, but if it burns, if it overheats, it can become a solid. And if that happens, you can get a blockage in your system, which could become catastrophic failure or extremely expensive. So as a recap, we're going to remove the lower panel in the front, if you have one, vacuum the panel. We will move the refrigerator away from the wall, vacuum the rear panel where the machine exhausts the hot air. And again, remember, unplug the machine before you start to brush and vacuum the coils to your refrigerator. Not sure where your coils are? Don't get frustrated. Sometimes it's better to just call a professional. Annual preventative maintenance on our refrigerator will save you more money in your electric bill than most people realize. It is the most expensive electronic device in your home, more expensive than your AC unit year-round. And as I promised, here's a few little secrets about your refrigerator, mostly warranty, that you need to know. Manufacturers have changed the way that they are compressing your refrigerant. They are no longer using the R134A and are now using the R600, which is a different type of refrigerant and a completely different system. And because it's a new system, it doesn't work very well. So my tip for most consumers on their refrigerator is, when you purchase your refrigerator from the store will ask you to purchase an extended warranty. This warranty is not the same as a manufacturer's warranty. It's a third-party warranty. Third-party warranty will only give you a 1 or 3 year, and it only includes parts. If a part is on back order, you'll have to wait like everyone else. Manufacturer warranties can give you a 3-year, sometimes 5-year, 7-year, or even 10-year, and it may or may not include parts and labor. No store sells The manufacturer warranty. Always call the manufacturer directly, give them your model and serial number, and ask them what options that machine has. Thanks for watching another Cutler's Appliance Repair educational video. If you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.